I've always had vision problems, but my vision started to progressively get worse right around the time I turned 30, and every year my nearsightedness would get more severe. I couldn't see the details of little things like blades of grass, freckles on my kids' faces. My new optometrist started asking me questions that nobody had asked me before, and it was right in line with the concerns that I had brought up with previous optometrists. He took one look in my eyes and said that he thought I had Fuchs dystrophy. Your eyesight increasingly gets worse. You give up your independence. You live with a lot of pain. And I was going through a lot of that. I just thought I was tired, you know.
If she really went blind, I didn't know how we were gonna get food or how we were gonna take care of ourselves, because I was the oldest and I was 10. So like, if she can't do anything, we don't have anybody else.
The specialist that I saw the very next day said, I would really love to put you on the transplant list and get this done right away, because you are going blind. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. I had two little kids. I think Elizabeth was 10, Jack was 8. I was doing it by myself. I sat down with both of them and I explained to them that I had this issue with my sight and that I was going to go in for a series of surgeries and I would be off work and I would need their help. Elizabeth threw her arms around me and said, "It's okay, you're going to be okay, we're going to be okay." She's 10. Here I was facing a very difficult time, and I found myself leaning on a 10-year-old, and it wasn't fair. I had 4 procedures total, 2 each for each eye. It was probably about a month before I started seeing. I started seeing again. You know, things that I had missed for years started to come into focus, and I realized how I was adapting to having Fuchs. Walking through life, I see things very differently. I notice things that I probably would have not noticed, like the freckles on my kid's face. Before, I lived life in 2 dimensions. Now, it's 3.